Dear student, welcome you all, and today I am going to explain you about the cycloidal curves. So there are three types of cycloidal curves in a engineering drawing. First one is cycloid, and second one is epicycloid, and the third one is hypocycloid. Okay, so in many of the universities only these three curves will be contained in the syllabus. Okay, so first I will explain what is cycloid here. So cycloid is one having generative circle. For example, if there is a wheel, if that rolls on a road, okay, so if you fix one point, how that point will be traced while it is rolling on a straight line. So this wheel we call it is as a generating circle, and the path we call as a straight line. Okay, so when a generating circle it rolls on a straight line, that is called as the cycloid. Okay, so here for the circle, all the students you have to concentrate more here, because many students will make mistake here. Because a circle, it means either in the question it will be mentioned with diameter or radius. Okay, so diameter is nothing but from this end to this end, that we call as the diameter. Okay, where d, and radius will be the half of this, only this. Okay, so that is called the radius. It means d is equal to, that is 2r. It means r plus r, you will get 2r, where radius is equal to half of the diameter. Okay, so you have to see carefully in the examination whether given diameter or the radius. If diameter is given, then to draw a circle you have to make it to half. Okay, whatever the diameter is given. If radius is given, then you can directly take that value and you can construct a circle first. Okay, so now let me show you to draw a circle. Now take the compass. Okay, for example, in the question I have given the diameter of 40 millimeter. Construct a cycloid. So what I have to do now, I have to select one point somewhere here. Okay, then from that point, from that center, take a radius of 20 mm, because if diameter is 40, then I have to take the radius as 20, then I have to construct a circle like this with your compass. Okay, then this will be your center. Okay, so after this, make the axis line, like center line. With thin lines you have to construct. Okay, so from this point, you have to draw a line like a tangent. Okay, so this is an horizontal line. So from this point to the end, what should be the distance here? That is 2 pi r. That is called the total circumference of the circle. Okay, the distance of the circle, that is 2 pi r, or you can say pi d also. Any formula you can use. Now if you substitute as 2 pi r, it means 2 into pi value is 3.14 into d, into r. R is how much? 20. So whatever the value you are getting, that should be the total length of this. Okay, you will get the another end. Similarly, from this end, draw a perpendicular line. So that should be the diameter. Okay, or this height, same distance. It means it is 40 now. Again from this end, connect to the end of this particular. Okay, it will be end here. Similarly, you divide this circle, okay, into number of even equal parts. Say you can divide, now it is into 4 parts, you can divide it into 8 parts, 12 parts, right? So if you want to 12 parts, you want to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So what is the circle radius? So it is 360 divided by 12. So how much you are getting? 30 degree. Means each division is 30 degree. So from here, this is a base, take an angle of 30 and make one. Okay, so this is the first division. Similarly for 60, it means each having 30, 30, 30. Okay, again if you extend this from here to here, from here to here, this another one is also created. Similarly for 30 you have to take, and this is also 30, 30. Next 30. So now it is divided into 12 equal parts. This is using the protractor method. You can use the divider also, compass method. Okay, we have to take the radius as 20, then this will be center, then you can mark here and here. Again change the center here, this curve it will be cut. Similarly this will be center, you have to mark here and below. Again change the center, these two center you will get. Okay, now mention the numbering, like say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last point will be 12. Okay, now what happened here? 1, 9, 12, it's both lies on the same straight line. That again you can extend till this point. 10, 2 on the same line, 9, 3 on the same line, 8, 4 on the same line, 7, 3 on the same line, right? Like this. Again what you have to do? You have to divide this total distance of 2 pi r into same number of equal parts, that is 12. Okay, whatever distance you obtained divided by 12 you have to make, and you have to make as 12 equal division, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now again make the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so from this point again draw a perpendicular line, connect to till the end, like this. Okay, so last one will be 12th one. So now here at the midpoint there is a O, so this axis it will intersect here. So say that point is C1, first one, number 1 C1, second one C2, here this one C3, C4, C5, this is for C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11, last one C12. Okay, now I will tell you, for you have to take the radius with your compass, measure this as 20 mm and make C1 as center and mark on the first line. Where is your first line? So this one 1, 9, 11 will be your first line, as I already told. 1, 9, 11 will lies on the same, right? So C1 will be center, you have to take the radius as 20, then mark on the same line. So with the compass, so here how to intersect, you have to make a curve. Now change, C2 will be center, you have to make a curve on the second line. So second is here, again you have to make a cut. Now C3, where is the C3? Here, again you have to make cut here. Okay, C4, fourth line you have to intersect, fifth line you have to intersect this one, sixth line, this will be the sixth now. So you will get some points here, right? So that is called P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and this is P5, this is P6 lastly. So now join all with your free hand. Okay, like this. From P to P1, P1 to P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Similarly, again the points it will be repeated. C7 will be center, somewhere the curves will be at 7 here, 8 curve will be here, and 9 the curve will be on the straight line, again 10 is here, again 11 is here, lastly 12. So you have to join all this. Okay, so this is the tracing point of a circle, generating circle. Like that you have to solve with your all the drawing instrument. Okay, thank you.